All right, guys, so I was able to find the flash sale for Wednesday, 2/26. So this is going to be for tomorrow. And I think this is the last flash sale that they're going to have for the month. So for this flash sale, they saved the best for last, 25% off US General roll cabs. So this is going to be in stores only while supplies last. In the smaller print, it says limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store and on in-stock items only. Coupon must be presented at the time of sale. Offer valid for the US General 27-inch, 42-inch, 56-inch, and the 72-inch roll cabs. It says it cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including Inside Track Club member prices. And it says other restrictions may apply, and this is only valid for the 26th of February. So actually a really nice coupon for any of you guys that's been looking for one of these roll cabs. So we'll go ahead and take a quick look at them here. So this is what you got to choose from. You got the 56-inch that's coming in at $900. So I did some quick math on these, and if you take the 25% off the 56-inch, you're looking at about $225 off, bringing the price down to $675. So not a bad deal on that. You guys know it comes in multiple different colors, but this is going to be in stock only. So I don't know if you can go in the store, and if they don't have anything, you can actually order it, and if they'll still honor the coupon, because it did say in the coupon in stores only and for in-stock items. So I'm not sure how exactly they'll handle that. Some of these cabs they don't even have in stores, at least in the stores that are around my area. So it'd be nice if they let you actually order it, pay it tomorrow with the coupon, and then just wait for your delivery. But we'll have to see, go to the stores and see how that works out. Over here, they got the US General, the 42-inch. This one's $600, so rough math, you'll get about $150 off, and that's going to bring this price down to $450. Another pretty good deal. This is probably one of the best deals we'll be getting on these US General roll cabs. So if you guys been looking for one, you might want to hop on this. Then we got the 27-inch. This one's coming in at $400, so you get approximately about $100 off on this with the 25% off coupon, bringing the price down to $300. Another really good deal. And then over to the right, we got the big boy, the 72-inch. This one here is $1,800, so you're going to get most of the savings on this one. You'll get $450 off on this one, bringing the price down to approximately about $1,350. So another really good deal. So the only thing I'm worried about with this coupon is while supplies last and it being in-stock items only. So this might be based off of just a first-come, first-served basis. So once these sell out in your stores, then you might be out of luck. But overall, really good deal on these US General roll cabs at 25% off. Once again, this is for Wednesday, February 26th. This is a one-day flash sale at Harbor Freight. If you guys been waiting around to pick up one of the US General roll cabs on sale, this is probably going to be one of the best deals you're going to find. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys like these videos, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.